Hey, what's going on, my killers? It's me, Deathkill, and I'm back for another video. And today we're going to be doing a furnace trap, and this is the 46th build I've done. And of course, this was the 45th that I did, and this is the 46th. So let's get into today's video. So you know how people think, I'll join your world and I can just go use your furnace to cook my food. And so let's say you've got no. Let's see. Let me just get a tiny bit of food out here. Someone gets a bit of steak, smashes it in there. Of course, if you're on boom. Of course, the problem with doing this is it's a bit hard to fail because you've got to constantly either replace the furnace or constantly wait until someone joins your world. Now, of course, I'll show you what you need in a second once I've gone and put something somewhere, basically in the trash bin. And I need to show you the greys. So guys, let's just go over the grades. We've had Jeff the Creeper, Bob the Zombie, Jack the Skeleton, Adam the Wither Skeleton, Bob the Human, Max my iPod, and we've had Jimmer. He died yeah. Jimmy died doing testing out the furnace trap. Yeah, he died doing this thing. So what you'll need for this tutorial is 1 furnace, 64 blocks your choice, 3 repeaters, 1 comparator, 9 bits of redstone, food and coal, and 2 red carpets. So let's just go over it quickly. So you place your furnace, you put a comparator, repeater, 3 redstone, repeater with make sure you tap that 3 times each. Redstone, 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 repeater. 2 oh crap, I forgot to put the dispensers in. 2 dispensers, for the thing. And because the repeater's there, it will go up and then it will go between the other. And we've basically done. So I'm just going to show you what I mean for the furnace. Because the furnace is probably the hardest one to do. Although you think the furnace thing would be the easiest, but it's actually quite hard. If you don't know what you're doing, that is. Luckily I do. And then here you'd basically just go down. Here would be where you got your hopper, would be where you got your 2 spins and everything, and yada yada yada, you're done. Now guys, usually I would be killing myself for no random reason. But guys, But before we go do the end of the video thing, I'm going to quickly mark out where we're going to be doing the next video thing, which is going to be using marking here, using that block. So we've marked exactly where the next thing is. And now it is time for the end of the video. So let's go into the end of the video. End of vid. So guys, make sure you subscribe to me, M1590, and everyone else in the description. Comment, like, follow me on Twitter and tweet me. And guys, make sure you definitely do check out everyone else in the description below. They're really cool people. They put out some killer content. And as I say after every video, bye. But let's talk real though, guys, because everyone else is really cool in the description. You should definitely check them out. And the person I've been getting all these latest ideas from will be joining my description box. He joined it in the last video, and now he should be in this video as well. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye.